In this worked example for using subgoal labels to evaluate an expression in the Java programming language, we will be looking at pre and post operators. In this example, we will use all 5 subgoal labels. Here's the problem statement. Assuming the following given declarations, evaluate the statement. If it is invalid, give the reason, and if valid, what value is assigned to the variable. Note any possible side effects. The statement is lambda is assigned the value plus plus beta divided by delta minus minus times alpha. Subgoal 1 is to determine the resultant data type of the expression. On the right-hand side of the assignment statement, we have the variables beta, delta, and alpha, all of which are integers. Therefore, the resultant data type would be an integer. Subgoal 2 says to update any variables for pre-increment or pre-decrement operators, noting any side effects. In this case, beta has a pre-increment operator. Beta starts with a value of 1. We will increment that to become 2 and use that new value in evaluating the expression. Subgoal 3 then says to solve the arithmetic equation. We replace the variables with their values. Beta has a value of 2 now, so we have 2 divided by 3, don't forget the post-decrement operator, times the value of alpha, which is 2. We know from operator precedence that the division comes first, so 2 divided by 3, then multiply by 2. 2 divided by 3 is integer division, which gives us 0. Multiplied by 2 is still 0. The resultant value on the right-hand side is 0. Subgoal 4 says if we have an assignment statement, is the left-hand side a variable? Lambda is declared as a double, and yes, it is a variable. The resultant data type of the right-hand side was an int. Can we assign an int to a double? Yes, that is legal. So 0 is promoted to the value 0.0 and copied to lambda. Subgoal 5 then says to update variables for post-increment or post-decrement operators, noting any side effects. Delta, which started with a value of 3, has a post-increment operator, and so delta's new value becomes 2 as it is decremented by 1. Notice the difference between pre- and postfix operators. Prefix operators get updated before evaluating the expression. Postfix operators get evaluated or updated after using the current value in the expression. The answer to the problem then is that the statement is valid and 0.0 is assigned to the variable lambda. That is the end of this worked example.